Where have you been? Saan ka galing? How have you been? Kumusta ka na? It's been a long time. Matagal na iyon. I have been waiting for you. Kanina pa kita hinihintay. I've never been there. Hindi pa ako nakakapunta roon. I have been sick for a week. Isang linggo na akong may sakit. Have you been told about this? Nasabihan ka na ba tungkol dito? I've never been this happy before.